Good morning, everyone. Adam Linnemann here, the Green Executive. Hope you're doing well. This morning, I wanted to talk about why partnerships matter inside your organization. So yesterday, mid-morning or so, I got a text message from our technician who was applying our winterizer application of fertilizer, and it had a picture of his hand with the fertilizer pellets inside of his hand, and the pellets were extra big and they were all kind of clumped up pellets. Looked abnormal and they just weren't flowing through his spreader. And I sent the picture over to our supplier, and within less than 24 hours, because the product is being delivered to us right now as we speak, it should be landing at our facility here in about 10 minutes or so. Within less than 24 hours, our supplier is replacing the product. Well, what ended up happening was the manufacturer of the winterizer fertilizer accidentally put too much anti-caking agent onto the nitrogen fertilizer, causing it not to flow through the spreader and causing it to clump up into larger pieces. And so what I wanted to really just mention to you today is that the importance of having good vendors and having them be good partners with inside your business is really crucial to help you keep your business running efficiently and smoothly. And having a good partnership is also something that will allow you to grow your business and allow you to get product and things that you may need much more quicker than somebody else that may not have a partnership with them. So when you go out and look for plants, fertilizer, weed barrier fabric, hardscaping stone, build the relationship with your vendors and build the partnership with them. The partnership will last you a lifetime. Hope you're doing well, and hope you take this advice and go out and make the phone call and start building partnerships with your vendors today. Talk to you next week. Bye-bye.